Okay, let's go ahead and talk about Shayla asking Delicia for advice whether or not she should go and ask Amber for forgiveness. Well, here's the thing, Shayla. You cannot use other people to make you do something. Okay? The conviction is if you feel like you have to go to anybody about something that you done to somebody else, then you already convicted on what you did and simply just uh, go do what you need to do in order to make your wrongs right with whoever you wronged. Okay, I will always say when it comes to God's forgiveness, the only person that needs to forgive you is God. You need to change your ways. Yes, okay, because I will say this again. Everything that people have done, you haven't went back and apologized to everybody that you did wrong. Cut it out. Let's be real and let's stop trying to act holier than thou. You do stuff and you go to God for forgiveness, and it's His forgiveness that matters. You don't have to go back. Now, if you are interchanging in you and that person's life, now that they're coming and having this co-parenting relationship, Amber being the stepmom, she being the mother, Anthony being the father, and they have to coexist with each other because of the child. Of course, yes, it's all by all rights. Y'all need to squash this stuff and for y'all to be able to move forward, because without doing it, you will never be able to progress from wherever you're at. So, but here's the thing. You don't need validation from absolutely anybody else on what you should do. Can she ask? I would have more so not put it as should I apologize, but maybe ask anyway. If I'm asking somebody, how would you take it if I was to apologize to you, so I can get a clearer picture on how it probably would have came at me from another person's perspective outside of my own, because I could tell you how I would react if somebody did that, or the manner in which they did it in. Um, so Shayla, at this point, you have to grow up here. I'm assuming that's the way I need to say this without being too out there. You need to grow up here. If you were bold enough to step to your best friend's husband when you are convicted and you know you're wrong, we know you're wrong. You already know you're wrong, but now it is bothering you because she is so kind to your child, and she accepts your child even despite everything that you've done to her, because this is what you said to Delicia. I'm using her words to paraphrase on where we're going, the direction in which we're going. Like I said, I think when we're doing these commentaries, we need to look at the picture for what it is. I can tell you how I feel, but let's look at what's going on. So using her words, as Amber is a good mom to Kai. And do I think she is? Absolutely, I think she is. I think some of her narratives that she tried to use with Anthony when it came to Kai was a little, yeah, you shouldn't have did that. But overall, the overall picture when it comes to Kai, I think she is a good stepmom. And if I had to try to choose somebody as a stepmom for my kids, I would say I would like a person such as her, because she is well grounded when it comes to God. And despite what Shayla done to her, she has been objective enough to do the right things. And even though at times, you know, she makes some bad judgment calls, but who don't? We're human. Everybody does, including myself. We can all make mistakes. And see, that's the thing. Even though the severity of what Shayla's done is bad, it's still a mistake. Right? It's still bad and poor judgment that she used on her part, and she still can be forgiven. Ain't no sin you can't be forgiven for other than blasphemy, right, against the Lord and the Holy Spirit. That's it. All other sins can be forgiven. So that's why I don't like the Team Amber team Shayla. I don't like teams because we all can make mistakes one day, and we can all redeem ourselves the next. Um, if we're willing to make a change. And she had to get there based off of her character on this skit. She had to get to that point where something within her had to trigger her to say, she always said she was wrong, but wrong enough to go to Amber and ask for Amber to forgive her. Not that it was required. It's not required that you have to go to somebody and ask them for forgiveness, because you yourself haven't went to everybody you wrong and asked for forgiveness. You have not. And if you say you have, you're lying, because we wrong people all the time. We do stuff. Some people do it unawarely. Some people do it because they want to say, oh, that's just the way I am. No, but if you wrong somebody, you wrong somebody, right? So this is the whole judgment thing, and throwing stones at people. You know, when God forgave us, he didn't forgive us with stipulations. He forgave us because we asked for forgiveness. And in her own way, in her own words, because no two people coming to the Lord or praying to the Lord will be the same. What I say will not be what you say. It's a personal thing. So thank God, God doesn't say, well, you got to say this and you got to say that, and you got to do this and you got to do that. I think that's where the judgment comes into play. And who are we to judge? We are to learn from. And I think this is Shayla making the steps in the right direction to heal on what she did wrong on her part. When it comes to this dynamic of Amber, Anthony, and Shayla. You know, and Shayla says that they loved each other. At one point, he did love her. And to be honest with y'all, he still do. Now, did it start with love? In her eyes, maybe. But in his eyes, it was just pure lust. Okay? I will stick by what I say. Shayla started this whole thing for empathy and feeling sorry for how Amber was treating Anthony. And you cannot just, because she asked for forgiveness, Amber took accountability. Wash that out. Because just because you get forgiveness or it doesn't take away from what you did. Because if Amber didn't start this whole thing, none of this would be happening. Shayla felt sorry for Anthony because of how he was being treated. And within that, in her own delusional mind, she fell in love with him. Go ahead and drop your comment down below. This is Skitlanta's point of view. As always, be your brothers and sisters keeper. Keep God first. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And toodles.